Alright, you guys, make this quick. Welcome back to the channel. What's up, John?
What up, baby?
Something new right here.
Yeah,
so
Juan was driving it. I was in the passenger seat. We were fucking driving on the highway, and we hit this big ass pothole. And for some reason, the radiator fucking blew. So it's leaking a shitload of coolant at the bottom.
So we got just nothing crazy. Same shit.
Got the OEM radiator from. Where'd you get it from?
From some guy on off-road. I'm gonna tag your name right now. I'll look you up. I'll tag your name right now. So let's see how this goes. And you see, I don't even want to talk about that shit. So they're probably like, open that shit already. Like, it's very fucking.
Bro, you know how many times we walk by this shit, bro?
Now we're using it as a table.
Yeah, bro.
Like our stuff. Like,
sorry, KBD. Don't worry, bro. We got you. We got you, bro.
Bro, people are probably like, man, first thing I do when I get a part, they open it real quick. That's crazy. Fucking 3 weeks in, and I mean,
I know it's been like 3 weeks. We've been meaning to open this, but it's been cloudy as fuck and cold. So
and others
for like a nice hot sunny day to do it.
Not only that, like stuff like this. So we need to get this fixed for the meet. All right, John, a little help here. Can you help me, bro? Put the camera down.
We still got the Christmas lights on. Shout out to work, baby. Shout out to work. Alright, what's the game plan?
The game plan, we're gonna have to put it on woods.
Hey, that shit comes in handy, bro.
Oh, yeah, it works good.
Say less, bro. We got an OEM radiator for 40 bucks. Hell yeah. Let me throw this on. We're kind of struggling to get the wood under, so we're gonna do it like that. Hey, that's the beauty of KBD kits though. When they fucking stretch. Look at that. Oh my god, people are gonna be mad at us, bro.
I know. Oh gosh.
Alright, after trial and error, we got plan B. Show them what we got.
Little portable one, little mechanical one. Oh shit.
Fuck it, it works. Yeah, he got it. My boy got it. My boy's a genius. Made this shit work.
It's good, baby.
Look who decided to pull up. Yeah, Juan needs assistance, bro.
Oh, that's Abraham?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Fucking me.
What's up, baby?
What's good, my boy?
What you doing? Chilling, chilling. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. Nice to
Hi,
meet
Cheyenne. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. Nice to
Well,
meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Do you mind if we record, or like if we record you, or?
I mean, I charge, but.
Okay, shit. Okay. I see you. I see you.
Let me go get my tools. Fuck yeah, where's the radiator at?
Right there, that one.
Sorry, this is bad boy.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah, this is better condition than the one that's in there right now.
So you guys, that's Abraham. He's a real tech.
Yeah.
He's not real.
The elite tech, baby.
Let me go grab my stuff real quick.
How we looking, bro? Talk to me.
We're looking pretty good though.
After like 30 minutes trying to fucking lift this shit up. Hey, we got it though. We got it done. Good shit.
Hard, huh?
Investments, baby.
Oh shit, you were serious.
Yeah.
You said you were joking.
Vending machine.
Coming soon, baby.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Thank you for the beers. Thank you.
Oh, shit.
So you guys gonna shotgun it or no?
This
I'm just kidding.
I'm not a natural. I'm so nervous.
Alright, so we got the car jacked up. That's about it for now.
That's about it.
After like an hour.
Yeah, bro, for real. So these are 10 mils right here that we get to take out for the fans. And then after that, it's all downhill from there.
Yo,
And you bought the snap-on?
the snap on, bro.
We're using Duralast. Hey, that's all. Hey, that works though.
Yeah,
Right?
fuck it, bro. Whatever gets the job done.
Bro.
I like how everything we're doing, bro, this shit's not working.
And then Abraham comes, everything's like.
Bro, you saved the day. Thank you, Abraham. I've been here for 5 minutes, bro, and this shit's already getting this shit done.
There, you should be good, bro.
Say it again one more time.
I said my cousin follows your guys' page.
Yeah, shout out to your cousin. Shout out, what's his name?
Omar.
Omar. It's my what the black hatch? Does he have a black car?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, you're Omar's fucking cousin?
Yeah.
I know Omar. Omar's cool. Hey, shout out
The
Omar,
one
bro.
with the 86?
Yeah, we just seen this.
85.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's her cousin.
Hey, bro, shut up. What's up, Omar? Hey, my boy, what's up, Omar? Oh, yeah, that's sick, bro. Damn, small ass world.
You got to take out the intake?
Took out the turbo, fun.
Hey, you want gloves, bro? No, you want gloves?
Nah, I'm good.
Fool, this fool worked on the car more than.
No, than any of us.
So the reason why AB, because he got a pad, you know, so
Yeah.
that's
Well,
the reason.
explain it better than that.
Life happened.
He got a pad.
Got a house.
Priorities.
Priorities. Got
Yeah.
a kid.
Hey, congratulations, by the way.
Yeah, good looks, my boy.
My boy.
But he's still with the team. Always been and always will.
Always will. And shout out Omar. Hey, bro, she called you weird.
We're into weird shit, I
It's
guess.
either like you're into bars or you become a barber.
Yeah, that's true,
Those are,
actually.
like, the
Or a
top-
YouTuber.
Or YouTuber. Yeah, like,
I like that, bro. I like the confidence. All right, let's get serious. Fool. What are we doing?
Fucking trying to take off this fan now.
Got the snap on deck, bro.
That's AB, guys.
Shouts out to AB.
He does his thing.
Kicks ass. Look at that smile.
It's gash though, huh? You could tell where it's leaking on this
Where?
side. On this side, right in the bottom.
So as you can see right there, guys, Juan fucked it up.
Look, that's for you guys right there.
I mean, give me full.
That's for you guys.
Busted your shit
This
already?
This is what I do for you guys.
That's what you do
We
for,
do this for content, not
for players ball, baby.
for players ball.
That's dedication.
Getting ready for players ball. Oh, it fell in there?
Yeah, my fucking socket set.
Oh shit. It's gone.
Okay, I just need clamps to take off that hose. I don't have clamps.
Try not to break those clamps.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. Wait, hold on. Let me take off my sweater, cause I don't want, at least not my sweater to get wet.
Nah.
I don't want my sweater to
I
get
got
wet.
you. I got you. You still in your tech shirt?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, bro. You came ready. Look at. Look, you know it's official, bro. Oh, you got Danny?
Yeah, I got
That'll
Danny.
be Danny, bro.
You got Danny.
Zombie.
Shout out to your Danny for tonight.
Hey, Danny, how we looking, bro? Oh, fuck. Be careful. Good shit, Danny.
Good shit, Danny. Yeah, just keep playing with it. Just spit on it. Yeah, cause it's getting stuck. It's nothing holding it no more. But you just have to maneuver it.
All right, guys. So next time, next episode,
Next episode, we're gonna take off the radiator.
we'll take it out. Actually,
To be honest with you, we might gonna have to do another episode because I don't have coolant here.
who gives a fuck? Is this shit connected right here? Being what it took us to do this.
We probably would have already been taking off the fans.
There it is. Oh shit, you alright?
Fuck my fucking elbow.
Oh, I
I
thought
think it's my funny elbow too.
you good?
Funny bone?
Yeah.
I have to just use the same one, but fuck it.
The little booty plug.
All right, you guys, we're gonna go to AutoZone
Once again.
again. So AB, just take care of the car, yeah, please.
I will. Take care of the house, bro. Hold it down. Alright, so we're back. AutoZone.
You guys, is nothing new. We're always here.
We're all alone. It's just me and you, baby. Let's go in this corner right here. Alright, so we put the new radiator in. We had to go get a new drain plug because for some reason this one was different from that one. So Juan's still down there working on it. How you doing, Juan?
I'm doing good right now. Who's that?
Nice.
Get these fans going on. We're over here working, you know, while they're over here eating. That sounds hard, huh?
Shit, it's hard. Shout out Larry June, bro.
It feels like you're the coach, you're like
You're the coach.
you're the supervisor. You're like you're the shop foreman for this. And he came prepared. Look at that, you guys. The bag and everything. All these goodies. You even got spare parts?
Those are Miata parts.
Just in case we break down in the road. Abraham, you do side work, right? You do side work on the side?
Mm-hmm.
So hit him up, you guys.
Side work.
Hit him up.
How you feeling, bro? Talk to me.
We're getting it done. It's like we're getting it done this weekend.
So we got the intake back on. Thanks to Danny. Continue on.
I had a long day today though.
Life's hard, huh? Life's hard, bro.
I'll probably be angry, huh? Angry tech?
You'd be pissed, bro. I feel like you'd be a grumpy ass tech.
The hose is already underneath, all connected and everything.
Yeah, there's only one underneath.
Yeah, so that one's connected already.
Yeah.
You want to double check? Just double check. Please? No, I'm not. I'm just saying.
Let's see the pliers, please.
Oh yeah, we did forget the fucking clamp on.
We'll be like, yeah.
Yeah. Every time we do it around here, bro.
Here you go. Clamp on the bottom. Clamp.
That's how you know you're official, bro. Double check your work. Always double check your work. Not like this guy right here.
Oh, yeah.
See, it's all your fault, dog.
It's all your fault, dog.
I like how we're just bullshitting in every fucking video, bro.
I don't know. Here we go, guys. Wish us luck. Tell me when to start.
Keep going.
Check if we're leaking, guys.
Let's see. Nah, we're good. We Gucci, bro.
Make some science.
That's all the air coming out.
Is that normal?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're supposed to let all the air out. Just dump the whole shit in there, bro. Say it again.
We're running, man. We're ready, baby. We're ready.
Alright, so we got this back up and running. After like 3 hours.
So right now I'm just checking the needle to see if the engine's overheating, because right now it's all the way down, so I just want to make sure the thermostat's operating as intended.
That shit's sketch, bro. Oh god. Bro, this shit is so sketch. Fuck. Hey, we need to get a lift, fuck. God damn.
We need to invest in a lift, dog.
Yeah, for
With all the
real.
low ass cars that we have.
Fuck, bro.
Bro,
Hey,
you're
where do we get them from, bro?
Bro, let us know where we get a good lifts at. Let us
Yeah,
know.
let us know in the comments. We need a
Come on,
fucking
y'all see
lift.
us struggling out here.
The struggle's real, bro.
Shoot us the link.
Look, Juan's over here sweating.
There's ones that actually go on the ground, bro. It's like $1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not light work.
That's not light work.
It's light, bro. That's light.
That's light.
Fresh, we ready, baby.
Yeah. That's down, yeah. That clicking,
What is it?
it's up out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got Rod knocked now. Alright, what's going on, Juan? Talk to me.
Well, basically, we have no brake fluid inside.
We got no brakes.
Oh my god.
No
Dude,
brakes. There's no brakes.
now we have no
Bro,
fucking
success.
brakes, bro. Okay.
Hey, the people are like, just sell that shit.
It's like, bro, you fix one thing and another, bro.
Yeah,
Another
bro.
thing gets fucked up.
Pretty much, we got the radiator installed.
We got the Raider in.
Thank you to Abraham. Bro.
We got that shit in.
We got this in. Everything's good.
Everything's good. Engine ain't overheating.
I turn on the car and there's no brakes. I wonder why.
Everything's good right now, guys.
This actually takes about 3.
It does, huh?
Yeah,
That
about 3.
Yeah. See, he knows, bro. He does his research.
Alright, guys, we finished the coolant or the radiator. No, you started off. I'm done already.
Oh, shit. Alright, so we pretty much fixed the Miata. We got the radiator in, which is good. The fluids are good. For some reason, the brake fluid dried out. I don't know why. It evaporated. And now we gotta fill that shit up, but we're ready for players ball.
So tomorrow we're gonna show you another video of
I
I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow.
We know when you love cars like this, shit's just cool too, but you know, it's always some bullshit.
All right, guys, the battery's dying, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit that like button. All right, thank you guys.
Nice!